Merdith's second time finding gold in these.
There's gold in them Thar hills.
Yes.
Sweet.
Yep. All right, it's gold, baby. Super exciting. Second time in 2 days. Can't go wrong with that.
With 2 drills now turning at KL South, the work in the field and at the core shack never stops. The team arrives each morning to new batches of core from the field, and the daily activities begin.
Every morning, one of the first things we do, because the drills are at a different location, or they're at the same spot but a different depth, we just update all the tracking sheets. So we keep an eye on metrics in terms of meters drilled per day, and it's just an easy way to kind of have your eye on everything. Quick update of that, and let me know where everything is.
After the tracking sheets are updated, it's over to the benches for the best part of any geologist's day, looking at rocks.
So we've done hole 1 already, 2 and 3 are done, 4, and we're on to 5.
Drake is working to understand the mineralizing events at Mirado.
So none of this rock is very magnetic because there's been quite a bit of fluid moving through here and demagnetizing everything. But that's nice. Like, you can see all those fine grain sulfides in there, and you got these fragments. So these would have exploded from the volcano and come out as those fragments, and then they get mixed in with the ash layers. And it seems at Mirado, specifically, we're getting more sulfides around these fragmental pieces. And actually, they're kind of getting, as the fluid moves through, you can almost see like the flow direction going across these fragments, and the sulfides getting trapped in kind of the pressure shadows of it.
Next door, Merdith is working to log, tag, and photograph core from hole 4. She calls the team in for an exciting discovery.
Yeah, girl.
Nice. We're in hole 4 right now. We're at top of hole about 60 meters down, and we have this little centimeter scale quartz carb vein with a high density of sulfide around it with some chloride and sericide alteration. And we're looking at the core, we found some gold. So that means in 4 holes, we got 2 hits of EG that we know of right now. So that's excellent, off to a great start at Mirado. And you know, when you find gold, it just brings everybody's attitude up. It's what we're here for, it's what we're doing, and we can't wait to share it with you.
The company cautions that the presence of visible gold mineralization is not indicative of high gold assay grades.
Visible gold at the first hole in Mirado and in hole 4. Those guys are killing it out there, and we have our first set of drill results back already. Some of the highlights that we got: we have 5.66 grams per ton over 18.2 meters, 3.3 over 18.7, 1.1 over 15, and 0.65 over 10. That's just the top of that hole. And then what ended up happening is we ended up hitting a stope. And when the drillers pulled out to go back in, it actually redirected. So we have a slightly different deviation for the bottom part of the hole. But in that hole, at 112 meters, we got 23.9 meters of 1.78 grams per ton. Very exciting first hole at Mirado. One of the really exciting things about this drilling is that we're seeing both low-grade and high-grade mineralization, and it's in a stacked fashion. So we're getting a whole bunch of intervals all from this first hole that are showing that open pit potential as well as those high-grade pay zones. So these results have come back a heck of a lot faster than what we've seen from our previous drilling, and that's because Paragon has delivered on that 7 to 10 day turnaround time, just like they promised. So more drilling's happening, more results coming out soon. Stay tuned for the next episode.